Engaging audiences. The power of participation. Hello, learners. Today, we're going to focus on an important aspect of presentation skills, encouraging audience participation. A presentation isn't a one-way street, it's a conversation. And the best way to make it conversational is by inviting your audience to engage and participate. So, let's jump in and explore how you can make your presentations more interactive. Before we delve into the how, let's understand the why. Audience participation creates a sense of community, fosters interaction, and most importantly, it keeps your audience interested. A participant is always more engaged than a passive listener. It also makes your presentation more memorable, as people tend to remember experiences in which they took an active part. One of the easiest ways to get your audience involved is by asking questions. This could be in the form of icebreakers, rhetorical questions, or direct inquiries. Icebreakers help to create an interactive environment right at the start. For example, you might start your presentation by asking everyone where they're from or what they hope to learn from your talk. Rhetorical questions can be used to engage the audience's minds. You don't need a verbal response, but it gets them thinking. Direct inquiries are questions that require an answer. These can be a powerful tool to keep the audience engaged, but make sure you're prepared for different types of answers. Another effective technique is using polls or surveys. In a digital presentation, there are many tools available to conduct real-time polls. This can create a sense of involvement and curiosity, and the collective responses can often be used to make a point or illustrate your topic more effectively. Incorporating audience input in real time makes the audience feel heard and valued. When people comment or ask questions, acknowledge them. Use their input to steer the presentation, showing that you value their contributions. This immediate feedback loop can add a dynamism to your presentation that's hard to beat. Finally, using interactive visual aids can also foster participation. You could use things like interactive diagrams, or charts where data can be added by the audience. Such visual aids not only make your presentation more interesting but also involve your audience in a direct, tangible way. Remember, inviting audience participation can greatly enhance your presentation by making it more engaging and memorable. It's not about losing control of your presentation but about creating an environment that fosters interaction and engagement. We hope this video has given you some valuable ideas on how to encourage audience participation in your presentations. Until next time, keep learning and practicing.